Welcome back to Top 5 Tray. Today we're checking out the Alienware Area-51 desktop. This is a huge, powerful gaming computer made by Dell. It has a cool sci-fi design and holds up to 80 liters of space inside. It uses standard ATX parts, comes with the super powerful RTX 5090 graphics card, and has a special way of cooling itself. It's supposed to be one of the best gaming PCs out there, but is it really worth it? Let's find out. Remember, all the gear I talk about in this video is linked below, so check that out if you're interested. This desktop is really big, about 24 by 22 by 9 inches, and it weighs around 76 pounds. You'll probably need help from another person just to move it. It has a strong aluminum case, a light bar on the front that changes color, and a clear side panel so you can see the inside. It looks like something from a spaceship. Opening the case is easy. Just turn a dial and you're in. The cooling system is special. Instead of fans pushing hot air out, 6 big fans push cool air in, and the hot air leaves on its own. This setup works well even when you're gaming hard. Inside, you can use normal ATX motherboards, and changing parts is pretty simple thanks to thumb screws. The only thing is, if you want to swap out the motherboard, you'll need a $35 cable kit. This PC can come with an Intel Core Ultra 9 28K processor, an RTX 5090 graphics card, 64 gigabytes of RAM, and super fast storage. It handles big games like Cyberpunk 2077, Doom Eternal, and Monster Hunter Wilds without any problems, giving you super high frame rates like 220 to 290 FPS. In Doom, The Dark Ages, it runs around 155 frames per second at 4K Ultra settings, and an amazing 344 frames per second if you use DLSS 4. Even with all that power, the computer is pretty quiet. Some users said they barely heard the fans during long gaming sessions. It does get louder when everything is running full power, but overall it stays cool and doesn't overheat. The graphics card gets up to around 90 to 93 degrees Celsius during heavy use, which is still okay. People who like to build or upgrade their PCs love the clean design and how easy it is to work inside. Some folks think the plastic parts don't feel very high-end. Also, Alienware uses special power and lighting cables, which are different from custom-built PCs. Still, the fact that it uses ATX parts means you can upgrade it more easily in the future. What's good, it's super powerful with the RTX 5090 and Ultra 9 CPU. The airflow design works really well. It uses standard parts, so it's easy to upgrade. It's almost silent during normal use and only gets louder under full load. What's not so good, it's really big, so you'll need space. If you want to upgrade the motherboard, you'll need to buy a $35 cable kit. Some plastic parts don't feel very fancy, and the price starts at around $4,500, with top models costing $5,000 to $6,000. So if you want a big, very strong gaming computer that you can upgrade for years, and you have the room and money for it, the Alienware Area-51 is a great choice. It's perfect for gamers who want top performance, but don't want to build their own PC. But if you want something smaller, super quiet, or cheaper, you might want to look at other options. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, hit the like button. If you're new here, welcome. Subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Trust me, this could be one of the best choices you make in your tech journey. See you in the next one. Peace out.